screen? Okay, great.
Yes, we can.
Okay, great. So welcome to Overdome, and you will realize that I will start with this small disclaimer, which I think a lot of us already know that this is just a presentation. It's not financial advice.
Okay.
It's presented on a general basis. You definitely need to put also your own due diligence, and most of the time it should be a decision based on your own reasonable judgment and also on your own capacity in terms of financial. But what does Overdone do? Basically, we have an automated system which is designed to streamline challenges that are faced by people when they try to trade cryptocurrencies. What we have come to realize, there are different types of cryptocurrency trading formats that people use, but we strategically chose arbitrage, which basically is much more simplified. It's actually usable and designed to suit both beginners and also experienced traders. So you will find that with arbitrage, the requirements as an institute are much more less than any other forms of trading strategies that one can use. So we definitely having this opportunity coming because of Mr. Kemal Altan, who is the founder and the CEO of Overdome, is coming from a very important background of systems development. He's actually on the software development side of business. And now he's bringing his expertise into the trading part of the world. So he's combining his skills from systems development and his skills from the trading part of it, and choosing cryptocurrency. Definitely, it makes a lot of sense because cryptocurrencies is future. Cryptocurrencies are already here, and a lot of people are profitably trading within the cryptocurrency world and making quite good money. And definitely, a lot of people want to trade within the cryptocurrency world, but because of the complexities that are there, you will find that he who have got systems or he who have got the technology to trade is at a much more bigger advantage as compared to somebody who is trading manually. So he doesn't work alone. We also have two great men. I think a day before yesterday, we had one of the most exciting moments with these two gentlemen who are the vice presidents, Mr. Mark Ellie and also Mr. Alain. And these are the biggest drivers in terms of market development. So all the requirements that we need from marketing perspective, they definitely make our lives easy, and we are in direct contact with them because they deal directly with people. And you will also realize that basically when you do arbitrage, the main issue is simply buy low somewhere and sell high somewhere. For just a simple example, you could buy Ethereum or any cryptocurrency from one exchange, for example, Binance, and you could buy it at a lower price. That same Ethereum in a different exchange could be slightly higher than the other. So you are capitalizing on the buying price. So if you can buy it low in one exchange, and automatically you'll be able to sell it in the next exchange slightly higher, you capitalizing on the percentage ratio, the difference between the buying price and the selling price. And what makes you more money is not this particular difference. What makes you money is the volumes that you're putting in. So you will realize that if there is a difference of, let's just say, $3 for every uh, coin that you've bought, for every item that you have, you basically capitalize on the volumes. The bigger the money that you bought it, the bigger the variance will it be when you sell it. So if you're buying 1,708, that's a price, and you sell it to 1,711, being the selling price, and you're only selling, you only use trading using $100, the difference will only be $3. So you won't really see the significant, impact of it. But if somebody's buying the same protocol and he's using 100,000, his profit margin is quite high, and you can then take those profits and utilize them in other systems that can give you better money. So you just capitalizing on the buy low, sell high, simple, and it's actually much more easier. So you will find that you can enjoy a good profit of between 0.5 up to maybe 2% if you are doing these trades. But for the sake of continuity and for the sake of sustainability of this particular project, when you are participating, what you're doing, you're adding volume, you're adding money into the trading pool. So you are sharing with everyone else who is adding money into the trading pool. And instead of us having to say you are going to earn up to 2%, which sometimes is not achieved, we have a sustainable return of about 1% every single day. So the maximum redistribution per day is around 1%. So when we say 1%, for example, if somebody have placed $100 into the system, his 1% is $1. If somebody have put $1,000, his 1% is $10. If somebody had put $10,000, his 1% is $100. So you will find the bigger your contribution to the pool, the bigger your return from that angle. So you will also realize with how we are also operating, we are not only focusing on one coin, we are actually trading on a multiple token pairs, different tokens from multiple exchanges. So all we now need is the AI aspect to be able to manage all that you need, technology to be able to tell you and operate within the shortest possible time and maximize the return within the shortest possible time. So we buy, we keep it, we wait for it to be high in the next exchange, and we sell at a profit. And that's what we do. So this trading runs a 7-day because it's crypto. Crypto is different from Forex. Forex only operates 5 days. But crypto, it's a 24-hour, 7-day trading that one can do. But what the company is trying to do is to maintain a system that is sustained over a longer period. So it pays out 5 days of those 7 days, Monday to Friday, leaving 2 days to actually be sitting in the company pool. This helps the company to stay in business longer, because we are not in a space where we want to do one business 2-3 months down the line, 4-5 months down the line, business is gone. Because these are some of the strategies that the company is going to be using to make sure we have a cash flow that is generated, we have surplus. And what makes Overdome very special is we are actually employing a much more sophisticated way of mitigating losses when the markets are down, when the markets are not doing well. And what we also have is to make sure we have a much more accessible interface, a much more user-friendly interface, which in each and everybody can be able to use. Whether you have a lot of experience in the trading part of, or you do not have, it's actually easy to use, and that also makes life easy. So we are in that space where we are looking into what solutions can we bring into the communities or into the world, and we capitalize on the solutions part of it. We make it convenient for every other person to be able to do business and benefit from the trades. But now you realize that you can actually start with our starter package, the $50, or the beginner, which is $100, or the advanced $250, bronze, silver, $1,000, 2,500, 25,000, which is the pro, the VIP, the 100,000, which is the investor package. So you can choose any one of those package. You can start with $50, and later you can always buy another one, maybe for $100. Maybe later you can buy another one for $1,000. So you can buy multiple of these packages from within one account, and they will also be able to help you trade and earn up to a maximum of 3x. In other words, if I bring $1,000, the maximum I can get without recruiting anyone is $3,000. So this is the maximum I can get. If I can bring $10,000, the maximum I can get is $30,000. So that's 3x the amount of my software license. So you're buying a software license that's actually going to help you trade on your behalf without you having to do any of those trading activities. Now, the maximum risk distribution I already mentioned is what? 1% Monday to Friday. And we also have with the people who say, no, I'm a team builder. I want to benefit both investments, and I also want to share the business. If you want to share the business, you get extra benefits, which includes your direct bonus, your differential direct bonus, your career bonus, and definitely it can actually get you up to 4x of your trading license. So that is an extra advantage of somebody who wants to say, I want to build, I want to share the business, I want more people to know about it, and you will also be able to benefit from that particular bonus, the direct, the referral, the differential, and the career bonus. And I want just to quickly say, we got these three wallets: the trading wallet, the earning wallet, the cash wallet, the gift wallet. These are very important wallets so that your monies are coming in. The one that comes from trades gets into its own wallet. The one that comes from your, if you're a team builder, your team building income, they come into their own wallet. And the good thing is we deposit using USDT TRC20 and a small deposit fee of $3. And you also be able to realize that you can withdraw using USDT TRC20. You can withdraw your monies on Tuesdays. If you miss Tuesdays, you can withdraw them on Saturdays. So those 2 days are specifically, created for you to do your withdrawals. And the good part of it is there's a very small withdrawal fee that comes along when you are doing your withdrawal. And you also realize that this is just an example. You bring $10,000 on a daily basis, earning about 1%. In other words, the first month you can hit 2,100, second month 4,000, third month 6,000, fifth month 10,000. 7 months down the line, in 12 months you will have actually almost 25,000 to you. A couple of one more month or so, you're closing with 3x. So as long as your money have reached 3x, then your contract have ended, and you don't have to wait for it to be 3x. You can withdraw it anytime you want. That is on Tuesdays or on Saturdays. And just to also highlight something that's very important. Okay, I've already mentioned this. You can make up to 15% 0.5 depending on your rank. We've got the differential, also same story, the career bonus. You can make up to about 728,000 in bonuses alone. But just to quickly run down is, you will find that if a team builder, it's very important to focus on ranking. The bigger part of the money in this business is on ranking up. If you are a team builder, remember there are two incomes here. One is passive income, which is for investors only. People who say, I don't want to build any teams, I don't want to recruit anyone. Then the second income is the one that I'm showing you now, for people who are saying, I'm a networker, I want to do the business. So the secret here is to rank up. And when you rank up, you find that your percentage will be increasing as you rank up. And imagine when you become a world diamond, anybody that actually uses your link, you'll be collecting up to about 15%, 0.5, which is a lot of money. So ranking up here comes with a lot of advantages. Apart from you earning our ranking bonus, you will find that your percentage increases. Once you become an associate there, imagine your 10.5 for every person who uses your link, 12, 13, 14, 15% is actually the target. So here it helps you if you are somebody who says, I want to rank up the business and I want to make money. And you can also enjoy what we call the differential bonus. The differential bonus, every time when your guys, your downliners are coming in, you also get a bonus, and you get more bonus coming in as your own teams are also benefiting. So when you bring your own people, you get paid. When your team members bring their own people, you get paid as well, depending on your rank. So you get a certain percentage based on your rank. So you will find that as you rank up and grow towards the world, diamond, your profits are much more bigger. And the good part of it is you can also enjoy the ranking bonus. Let's just say you sell $1,000 worth of sales. We call you a promoter. You get $50 bonus. This extra money now on top of your direct referral, on top of your differential, we got extra money coming from what we call the career bonus. You push yourselves to 3,000, we call you a marketer. You push yourselves to all this time you're collecting this money. To $25,000 sales, you get $1,000 coming to you. You push your sales to associate 50,000, $2,000 comes to you. You push your sales to 100,000, $5,000 comes to you. And you will find that as you grow up and become a world diamond, $500,000 is the maximum that you can make. When you add all this together, they give you $728,000, 50, something like that. So that is the total you can make. And every time you hit a rank, you get paid. And this is the exciting part of it. And you will also realize the company have already gone much more bigger. The desire in the long run is to have its own exchange, and you can only be able to do that if you can build up a good community. So we also have partnered with one of the greatest exchanges in the world, CoinStore, which is actually one of the best exchanges, so far so good. They are offering derivatives, OTC, NFT solutions. They are in over 175 countries. They have got over 3.3 million traders on CoinStore. So we partnered already with CoinStore, which is one of the biggest global crypto exchanges. So it's actually not just Overdome. It's Overdome and working hand in hand with also great exchanges such as the CoinStore. And this is just a certificate of partnership that you also can find, and you can be able to use it to make people understand where this company is going and where is it coming from. So the target is December. This December we are pre-launching, and as I'm speaking right now, we're in the pre-launch, and we're gonna have the full launch on March next year, 2024. After the full launch of the arbitrage trading part of it, we are also going to have the launch of the Overdome game and the Overdome coin. So this is the second product that we're going to have. On top of our arbitrage, we are also going to have the gaming into our ecosystem. And we're also going to go the third one, which is the Overdome coin. So we're going to have the third product into our business. And the fourth will be in July when we do the launch of the Overdome exchange. So the main issue is to build a community that can help us achieve our second, third, and fourth products within our roadmap. And I'm not going to go deeper, but I just wanted you to know there is a lot of money in the gaming industry, and for you to benefit much from it, you definitely need a community first. You also need your own exchange. You also need your own coin, and it makes the gaming, crypto gaming, more profitable. So we are on stage number one, where we are building a community. We are taking advantage of our expertise in the crypto trading aspect of the business, and we have a much more long-term program in place, a roadmap in place, where we will ultimately have our own exchange. So thank you so much for being this Zoom. I hope you were able to follow up. I hope you were able to pick one or two things. I know it may not be easy to understand everything in one go, but this is a rough summary to this presentation.
Okay, I have heard about